Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me. Well, today we are going to create a birthday card, a pretty bright and cheerful, great for anybody card. We went through my scrap bin and picked out a whole bunch of different color cardstocks that are bright and cheery. And then we're going to be using a stamp set from Simon Says Stamp. It's called It's Your Birthday. It's part of the Diecember release. You get the outline and then you get It's a Birthday, and we're going to basically die cut out a tone on tone birthday sentiment. So we have a light and a dark, and we'll die cut out the background with the light, sentiment with the dark, and do a little bit of layering. We're going to first start off with our green. We'll run those through the die cutting machine, and then you can see here they're perfect for layering together. I'm going to flip over It's a Birthday. I'm going to use my glue and just add some small dots. The It's a Birthday is pretty intricate. Now I didn't want to chance tearing some of those letters with my tape runner, so we're going to use little dots of glue. If you wanted to run this through with a adhesive backed sheet and then put it on the cardstock, that would be easy, just kind of creating a sticker with it. But I'm just going to place this on its background, and you can see how it stands out nice and lovely. And then I have, again, a rainbow of colors. I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of my cardstock. And I have a scrap bin that I keep all of my colored cardstock in. So I just went through and grabbed 2 colors of each shade, basically. We're going to run these through and just continue on until we have our little rainbow. We have purple, blue, a teal, green, yellow, and a pink. Now I think this card, even though it has pink, could be good for anybody, really. We're going to clean up our mess, and then to create our birthday background, it's going to be very easy, guys. These are sentiments that have a line below them. So there's a line below It's Your, and then there's a line below your birthday. So I'm just adding adhesive on the reverse side, and we're going to stack all of these together on the line that's just above birthday. It's a great way to create a background, and it's also, since it is a straight line, it's easy to line it up. We're going to end with the pink. I know it's not in rainbow order, but I did want that bright pink It's Your Birthday to show on top. Now once we have all of these adhered, it's pretty thick, pretty heavy duty. We're going to flip it over, and I want to add some dimension with some foam adhesive. We'll just place this on the back. Now in the meantime, I wanted to add a little bit more for a sentiment, so I'm using the reverse happy well-loved sentiment strip pack from Simon Says Stamp. I use this a lot, you could see, and there's some birthday sentiments in here. So I chose one that says Happy Birthday Friend. I just trimmed it out with my paper trimmer, and then we're going to add a piece of foam tape behind it for a little more dimension. Okay, before we adhere this, we're going to go ahead and grab our card base, and then I also embossed a white background with some polka dots. I just used one of my polka dots embossing folder, and this panel is slightly smaller than my card base, so I have a little bit of a border on that. We're going to adhere it to our A2 size card base. Once this is adhered, we can go ahead and remove the release paper off of our birthday background. I love the way this looks. This is such a simple card, but I think this would be great for a thank you card, for break out your sentiment dies, because this is a fun way to use them. I did add one more piece of foam tape on the very top because it was a layer heavy up there, and so this just helped balance out our background. Now we're going to go ahead and add our Happy Birthday Friend, and as I'm looking at it, it's just too much for this card. I wanted to keep it pretty simple, so I just cut off Happy Birthday, and we're just going to use Friend. This way our sentiment will read, It's Your Birthday Friend. And again, you don't even have to add the friend if you don't want to. If you do, you have you could put mom, dad, you can customize it basically. And we do need a little sparkle, so to do that, I'm bringing in some iridescent stars, and I just added them all around our background. kind of had them in different colors of our birthday sentiments. And then that's my project today, guys, using It's Your Birthday die set from Simon Says Stamps. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a lovely day, and we will see you again soon, guys. Bye-bye.